The easiest dessert for your Christmas doesn't need any fire, just mix and that's it. Here I'm using 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. I put it in the microwave to melt. Now just mix it with it already melted. Now let's go add 200 grams of hazelnut cream or personal Nutella or hazelnut cream in a confectioner's house. It's much more affordable. Now let's mix it all up very well and then on a platter we will place it here. Basically, it can also be plastic film. Now on top of that, let's break cornstarch biscuits. Remember guys, the amount of biscuit depends on your preference. And now just pour all our mixture on top with the help of a spoon. Let's give it a light. Fixing after fixing guys. Now we just have to get it. Let's close it with this plastic and then take it to the refrigerator and leave it until it freezes. Look guys, how this dessert is amazing. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Remember, it's very much like an Italian straw, guys. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe for a man in the kitchen. That big hug.